Hey Ben, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me today. I had a great time. You were hilarious. You totally made my day. So thank you for that. And thank you for accepting your free video. So today we're going to go over just a few tips that you can apply right away that's really going to help with your online presence and getting more leads. So you don't have to worry about paid lead service programs like Angie's and Home Advisor. So, nearly 70% of your organic leads come from your website. So, it is really important your website be properly optimized so you can capture that traffic. All right, so here we are on your website. Your website is secured. That's awesome. Uh, I like that you have, excuse me. I like that you have your contact information right on top, making it super easy for your customers. So that's awesome. You have separate pages for each of your major services. That's perfect. That's exactly what you want. You want to make sure that all of your pages have their own original content and that they're all targeting their own local buyer intent keywords. You don't want duplicated content and you do not want to go after the same keyword on multiple pages because Google will penalize you for that and you will not show up or rank when you should. Let's see. Okay, so those are not interlinking. Okay, we got a little bit of content. And that's it. So really the only keyword on this page is your brand. Google does not rank websites based on appearance. It is based on content. Content is key and you need a lot of it. You need approximately 1,500 words of content or more, depending on what your competition is doing. If your competition has more content, you will need more than they have. So you are going to need a lot of content. Your homepage should be a mini, should be a page that has that describes each of your services. So just a mini like paragraph or so about each of your services and going after those relevant local buyer intent keywords. Most people, when they're looking for services, are not researching brands, they're just Googling the service. So you do need to focus on those local keywords rather than branding and national keywords. Um, and then if we go to look at your top competitor, as far as water damage goes in your area, we have ARI, Arkansas Restoration. They have a good page. They have separate pages for each of their services. They're going after local keywords and regional keywords. Looks like they have a little bit more content, but not a whole lot. These guys should be super easy to beat because they don't have a whole lot of content and they don't have any service area pages. Service area pages are pretty important if you're servicing multiple areas to have service area pages anywhere that you have search volume. And then those would be like mini home pages with summaries for each of your services, but focused on the keyword for that city. Keywords, I should say. Um, and then so to beat these guys, you need better content, work on your keyword strategy, and then support it with SEO. A website without search engine optimization is just not going to be found. So you have a rating of a 0.1 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, which means Google does not trust your website. That's 100% based on your backlinks and referring domains. While you do need a lot of these, not all are created equal. You need to stick to authoritative do follow links that are directly related to your services and industry. It's a popularity contest with Google. So the more relevant it is to your services, the more authority it gives you, and the better it helps you to rank. Out of yours, only 12 of yours are do follow referring domains. So you only have 12 backlinks doing anything remotely to help your website. You've been indexed for over 168 keywords, and you are getting 93 people to your website, but you're still missing out on a ton of traffic. If we look at your keywords, what you're ranking for is pretty much your brand. Your brand and carpet cleaning. So you're not ranking for any other service, so you are missing out a lot. And the other thing is you're using the same keyword on multiple different pages. So you're going to have keyword cannibalization, and you're not actually going to end up showing up for that keyword at all. So you definitely got to work on your content and keyword strategies so you can capture the traffic for all your services in all service areas. If we look at your competitor, they only have a rating of a 7 with 153 backlinks and 36 referring domains. Of those, only 14 are do follows. So you only have to beat their 14 referring domains. They've got 82 keywords, and they're only getting 38 people to their website, but they're all for the local buyer intent keywords. So they are actually outranking you organically. And then the last part of this is this Google My Business section. Your goal should be to be in the top 3 because 30% of people search here and don't search anywhere else. So when you're not listed here, you send all the leads to your competition. Now, in order to be in the top 3, there are several factors, but the most important are your citations. That's the name of your business, address, phone number, and website, and listing those in a bunch of directories like Yelp, Yellow Pages, and Glassdoor. You will need a lot more of those than your competition, but when you follow all of these tips I've provided you today, your website has the opportunity to be number 1 in your service area for all of your services. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you found this video helpful and would love to get your feedback. If you have any questions, go ahead and give me a call at the number on the screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.